Hello everybody, this is Sanya Dhingra and welcome to the first episode of Small Talks with Sanya Dhingra. So today we are going to talk about मैं हूं ना. It looks like a very simple, very easy phrase, but there's a very depth meaning in it. So how many times do we use this phrase मैं हूं ना? So many times in different forms. I am there. I'll do it. I'll take care. No problem. I'm always there. You can talk to me. मैं हूं ना. सबका in depth meaning है. मैं हूं ना. I think this phrase is mostly used in terms of stress. We all know जिंदगी जंग है. Life is a challenge for everybody. But the thing is, when somebody undergoing a lot of peer pressure, maybe stress, anxiety or something else, if that person reaches out to somebody else also, the person B always tries to console that person. मैं हूं ना, don't worry. So just singing something that मैं हूं, you can talk to me, you know, so many times we tend to say so many people, I am there, don't worry, you can call me anytime, I'm there for you 24/7. But we don't mean it. We don't mean that. इतनी बार होता है, so many people messages and we don't even reply to them. Then how can you say that I'm there for you 24/7? We need to understand the meaning of मैं हूँ ना. अगर आप हो तो start empathizing, start helping, दूसरे की feelings समझो. I also think so many times we take out the wrong meaning. We understand the wrong meaning of मैं हूँ ना. How? So many times if a person A comes to us and says, I'm feeling a little stressed, can you please talk to me? I don't feel comfortable right now. Like, so many things are happening in life and I feel really disturbed. The person B says, कोई बात नहीं, मैं हूँ, कोई बात नहीं. You can talk to me, tell me something, share it with me. And अंदर ही अंदर हमें नहीं पता person A को past से कितना हो रहा है ये. Maybe कोई anxiety issues हो उसे, maybe कोई mental disorder हो. But हम बोलते हैं मैं हूँ ना, I am there. बहुत अच्छी बात है कि you are ready to listen and you are listening to them very very compassionately and that's really appreciable. But we need to also understand वो level क्या है. What is that level? जब a person needs to approach a psychologist or a psychiatrist, he or she needs to take help, right? So we need to conceptualize the meaning of मैं हूँ ना. आप हो, that's why the person is, approaching you. You are the safe side. You are somebody, the comfort zone of somebody. And it's very appreciable that you are actually reaching out to somebody and the person B is also showing some interest. But start empathizing. Start showing empathy. गाना गाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Start helping. If you cannot understand, आपको भी कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा, give them the reference of helplines, 24/7 helplines. There are so many psychologists, working day and night, even today, because the stress issues today are even more, have rised up than the usual things. We don't know if the person was suffering from depression or he has a past, some history of these mental disorders. But we need to understand that level जब हमें उस person A को बोलना पड़ेगा कि हाँ, please don't hesitate to seek help. चल, मैं तुझे लेके चलता हूँ psychologist, psychiatrist के पास, right? तो I think singing songs मैं हूँ ना, सुन लो ना, मैं हूँ ना, सुन लो ना, no use. Help करो, understand the feelings. Life will change at every moment. today it is like this, another day it will be like this. It's not a matter like अगर मैं आज ऐसे हूँ तो मैं कल भी ऐसे ही हूँगा. No, life changes. If you're in a bad situation, it would not last long. Don't worry. So, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to share it with your loved ones. It might help somebody. Thank you.